Greetings. Wagwan, young lady.
Wagwan, King.
There, you know. You know, say, I really, me say me I make a pass to and link. Cause from the little happenings up, so we don't really link up. We don't even know how we are, you know, cope.
Why, King?
Boy, I can just imagine. Cause all of we get shook.
You know what bother me the most? The things that we shall go through and she not tell me. I think me and her on the same level there.
Boy, Tony, it just go for sure, you know. Some more time, people are going through serious issues, you know. But either them just can't bring themselves or them just bring themselves. Talk out it.
And that's the reason we carry the dance program up there. You know, free them up more for serious people them can talk to.
Man, that's not enough. But that's one of the reasons why I really come to talk to you. I need to talk to Miss Prissy too. Because I don't want this one incident damp on the spirit. Because I personally, I see results. Because some of the youth them really get more sociable, more able to express themselves in a positive way. You understand? But you don't know. You're going to win some, and sadly, we're going to lose some.
I agree with you, King. We can't make one incident stop the greater one.
So?
How's Miss Jane?
Well, she did it, you know. And yes, like all our way she's shaking up. But she committed to, you know, shape the little spot and make it become that little community spot where we can highlight even in the community tourism and things. You understand?
You know, say, me and Boss did a discuss. When the tourists them forward, we can use a spot there as the community spot.
That is my thought, exactly. It's ideal for it because it's a total entertainment complex she are building up. You understand? There's going to be attraction for the kids, everything. Plus we can have a little finger food, some roast bread food, some roast saltfish to the tourists them. We have a natural spring close by. What more can we ask for?
King, that sounds good, especially the finger food part. But I don't want my one, no, both of them.
Oh yes, man. Because guess what? It's going to be straight from the farm to the table. And that going to be the height of the attraction.
That makes sense, you know, King. Because you really need something like attraction to draw the people in the community. And you know, so I'm going to ask Bubbles if we can care about the program up there.
I think it's a good idea, but guess what? Make we just make some dust settle after the whole funeral thing. And then we get right back into gear. Seriously doing it, Junior. I want to talk to you and Carol about revisiting that feeding program there, you know. By the way, I couldn't tell when I see him. When there?
To tell you the truth, you know, King, I do some chef work, I take up the whole 9 times, so I'm all day here.
Junior, I really wish more Jamaicans would have grasped the concept, say one man rarely get anywhere far in life working for the next man unless you work to get a start.
And the same thing I'm telling King. I don't know why we want to cook for somebody else and we run a food establishment.
And one that was doing so well.
I gotta talk to him, King. And if the contract still open, I gotta convince him to do it.
The contract is open.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, tell him to call me. But here we go. As me tell you, pass me and pass you. So heal up Miss Bishop for me. Big up Whisper. And you don't know, you know, take care of yourself and keep your chin up. Yeah.
Alright, King.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah.
Empress, Bobby. You don't need a chaperone.
No.